Jai Hind. Let us see a big news recently in headline: the flood in Bihar. Why there is North Bihar so much prone to flood? One of the reason is its geographical location, which is just foothill of the Himalayas. That's why the many rivers coming out from the Nepal uh, flows through the North Bihar. Like you can see the examples: Kosi, Gandak, Budi Gandak, Bagmati, Kamla, Balan, Mahananda, and Adhwara. Mahananda is the last river which meet in Ganga from the eastern part of Bihar. Over these rivers are overflooded by the rain-fed water or ice melt in Himalayan region, and they can easily overflow their banks so that they can spread in the nearby villages. Do you know how much devastating is that? 15.76 लाख, मतलब लगभग 16 लाख लोग प्रभावित है इससे, और अराउंड 17 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर इफेक्टेड हैविली बाय द फ्लड. आपने देखा होगा कि कल इंडियन एयरफोर्स का एक हेलीकॉप्टर गया जो वहाँ क्रैश हो गया अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि वहाँ की सिचुएशन कितना ख़राब है. बट सिंस इट इज़ ए बिहार एंड नो बडी केयर्स अबाउट इट, I don't know but why. Let us see about examination point of view. कोसी रिवर इज नोन एज द सोरो ऑफ बिहार, मतलब बिहार का दुखों का कारण है कोसी. बिकॉज इन एवरी फ्यू ईयर्स इट चेंज इट्स कोर्स. आपने फणीश्वर नाथ रेणु का एक बुक पढ़ा होगा, एक कहानी, सूखी नदी का पुल. दैट स्टोरी वाज ओनली अबाउट द कोसी रिवर्स एंड इट्स चेंजिंग कोर्सेस. कोर्स मतलब अपना रास्ता बदल लेता है. एंड इट इज सेड दैट द कोसी रिवर चेंज इट्स कोर्स इन एवरी 7 ईयर. आज जहाँ से जा रहा है ये, अगर यहाँ से जा रहा है, अगले 7 साल बाद ये इधर से चला जाएगा और इधर सूखा पड़ जाएगा. बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हैवी फ्लो एंड रैपिड फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बिहार categorized it in 4 category, that is flash flood, river flood, drainage congestion in river confluences, and permanent water logging area. Let us see what is the permanent water logging area. These are also called as chor in the local language. It is also made through the changing course of the river. नदी अपना रास्ता बदल के इधर से चली गई तो इधर का जो एरिया बच गया, इधर पानी का कुछ एरिया बच जाएगा जहाँ पानी लॉगिंग कंटिन्यू रहेगा, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड चौर. फ्लैश फ्लड, बिकॉज हैवी रेन इन नेपाल and Nepal is located on the Himalayan top, so they cannot hold many water on its river. Ultimately, this water will come down in Bihar only. There is no way. Since it is situated just downstream of Himalayan river, carry mass of the volume of water and loose soils and sediments. ये सेडिमेंट्स आके रिवर में गिरते जाता है और रिवर के बेड को नीचे से भरते जाता है ऊपर की तरफ. रिजल्टेंट इज दैट रिवर कैन नॉट होल्ड मच मोर वाटर इनसाइड देयर embarkments, and the resultant it will spread all around its bank. Then let us see why Kosi's flood is so much important to study. There are so many reasons about it, but few reason has been categorized by the disaster management department, that is its embarkment. embarkment मीन्स सब घेराव, नदियों का घेराव. पहले नदियाँ खुली हुई होती थी, जिससे पानी आया और चारों तरफ फैल गया तो सडन बाढ़ के खतरे नहीं आती थी. फ्लैश फ्लड का धीरे से आता था और चारों तरफ फैलते जाता था, पानी बढ़ते गया फैलते गया. बट ड्यू टू embarkment in 1998 to 2000, sorry 1998 and 2008 ऑल्सो, अभी क्या है कि दिस रिवर्स बेड इज फिल्ड 5 इंच पर ईयर. दैट इज ऑल्सो रीजन why Kosi is not holding much more water. dam on the Kosi proposed, but due to the absence of Nepal or not interested, it cannot be constructed till now. Then what may be the way forward for this? Barrage at Dhamara Supaul on Kosi River, Areraj on Gandak River, and third one is proposed on the Bagmati River. But again it is subjected on Nepal's consent. And disaster management department also said that only structural solution like engineering, making barrage or garage or like that only, it will fulfill only half of its solution. However, the laws, policies, risk reduction, mitigation, it must be focused on non-structural solution also. Non-structural solution also. Adequate warning system must be there. Quick reaction time. Everybody should be aware about that. Awareness about the flood and its protection, and training must be given to the disaster management protection team. And I will urge the government also not leave Bihar alone, because many peoples are in trouble, and in deep trouble. Not only in trouble, they are suffering a lot because they are having lack of water, lack of sanitations. Nobody will talk about their health, food, or other things are secondary, but health is much more important. Thank you. Jai Hind.